Soy Francisco! Shut the fuck up, you cunt!
Okay, Goofy, let's go kill those racers. Take this.
Scaredy cat. Back off, Jacko.
Meanwhile,
Mamma mia, you guys can't not join the race. Go away.
Welcome, folks, to a picture-perfect Porticosa, Italy. I just said it for today's main event. Okay, I know I'm not alone when I say I've really been looking forward to this race. I mean, you just can't lose with a lineup like this.
now it's time for Plan B. It's time for the final part. This will be funny.
What happened behind you?
This is impossible. That's what I'm talking about. Ka-chow! What happened? All the other cars.